Hello student, today we will discuss about dimension analysis or dimension formula. Today we will discuss 7 basic dimensions of physical world. Next we will discuss dimensions and dimension formula and dimensions equations. First I will discuss, you have already discussed about 7 dimensions of physical world or fundamental unit of physical world, generally mass. This is the first physical quantity, mass, but in dimension system the mass is represented by m. Second is length, हम लेंथ को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं बेटा कैपिटल एल से, और टाइम को टी से, और टेम्परेचर को के से, के मींस केल्विन, और इलेक्ट्रिक करंट को एम्पियर से, एंड लुमिनेंस इंटेंसिटी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैंडेला, दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सीडी, एंड क्वांटिटी ऑफ मैटर इज मोल. हम बाय यूजिंग ऑफ these 7 physical quantities we can derive any dimensions quantity. Let's see what is the meaning of dimensions of physical quantities. Are the powers of the fundamental quantity are called dimensions. Let's see, I will take an example of, जैसे बेटा आपको पता है speed is basically distance upon time. डिस्टेंस को बेटा इन डिमेंशन सिस्टम, डिस्टेंस को आप बेटा लेंथ में मेजर करते हो ना, और इन सिस्टम लेंथ इज डिमेंशन सिस्टम, लेंथ इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल एल और टाइम इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल टी. और टाइम इज कैपिटल टी, shifting t another side negative. But in the system of dimension system, the basic fundamental quantities are mass, length, time. In this fundamental quantity, mass have 0 value, length have power 1, or time has -1. These 0, 1, -1 are called dimensions. Are the powers of fundamental quantity. By using physical quantity, that is called dimensions of physical quantities. Let's see, I will derive another formulas. Area is basically length multiply breadth. Length and breadth are always measuring length into length, that is L square. The dimensions of these area is the 7 fundamental basic quantity: mass, length, time. In this given quantity, mass have 0 value, length have 2, and time have 0. 0 to 0 are called dimensions of physical quantities. Clear? Second, we will draw the dimensional formula of momentum. Momentum is basically mass into velocity. बेटा आपको पता है कि velocity is basically displacement upon time. But in dimension system, mass is represented by m, displacement is L, or time is t. Then after simplification you will get mlt minus 1. But in fundamental quantities are mass, length, time. This given quantity mass have value 1, length have value 1 or time minus 1. These are called dimensions. Clear? Second type is dimensionless physical quantity. It has only value but does not have dimensions. Angle is basically arc upon radius. It has only value but does not have dimensions. That quantities are called dimensionless physical quantities. Next we will talk about dimensions variable. Dimension variable also two types. Next we will talk about dimension constant and applications of dimensional analysis. First, types of dimensions variable. First one is dimension variable, second one is dimensionless variable. Dimension variable have both dimensions as well as variable value. Let's see. Speed, you know, speed is basically distance upon time. This is called value, or speed have also dimensions. Distance is measured in L. In dimensional system, time measured in T, LT minus 1. That is called dimensionless variable. It's have both dimensions as well as variable value. The second one is dimensionless variable. Dimensionless variable have only value but does not have dimensions. Only have variable value. I am already explained. Angle is basically arc upon radius. It's only variable value but does not have dimensions. That quantity are called dimensionless variable quantities. Next, types of dimensions. First is dimensional constant or second is dimensionless constant. Dimensional constant have both constant value as well as dimensions. First one is gravitational constant. The value of gravitational constant is 6.67 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. It's have value as well as dimensions. I will derive. Let's see. By using laws of gravitation, force directly proportional to the product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. We have to find the value of G. F into R square M1 into M2. The dimensions of force. Force is basically mass into acceleration MLT minus 2. This is the dimension formula of force. और डिस्टेंस के बेटा L स्क्वायर और मास के M स्क्वायर. 1 M से बेटा M cancel out. You will get M minus 1 L3 T minus 2. It has dimensions value. Those quantity which have both dimensions as well as value, that is called dimensional constant. Second one is better dimensionless constant. It has only value but does not have dimensions. Let's see. The value first is pi. The value of pi is 3.14. All number have value, or sin theta, tan theta has only value but does not have dimensions. That quantity is called dimensionless constant. Next we will discuss about applications of dimensions analysis or dimension formula. First one is check the correctness of physical relations. हमें फिजिकल रिलेशन गिवन है बेटा, लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू एच बाई एम वी। बेटा जो हमें लैम्डा गिवन है दैट इज कॉल्ड वेवलेंथ, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेवलेंथ। वेवलेंथ इज मेजर्ड इन डिस्टेंस, the dimensions of wavelength is L. First I will take left hand side, we have verified the correctness of relation. Second you will take right hand side, H over mv, where H is called Planck constant और m is called mass और v is called velocity. Substitute this value. आपको पता बेटा प्लैंक कांस्टेंट by using Einstein relation is equal to h mu. This is called Einstein formula and Einstein relations. We have found the value of h e over mu. E is basically energy upon frequency. Energy basically dimension formula equal to work. Work is basically force into distance. The dimension formula of work is ml2 t minus 2 and frequency is reciprocal of time period. Then shifting numerator to denominator time period, it get positive, minus 2 plus 1, we will get ml2 t minus 1. This is the dimension formula of Planck constant. और आपको बेटा मास और वेलोसिटी का पता है, सब्स्टिट्यूट डायरेक्टली दिस वैल्यू रिलेशन आपको पता है। आई विल टेक राइट हैंड साइड, h इज इक्वल टू m v। आपको पता बेटा h का डिमेंशन फॉर्मूला ml2 t minus 1 और मास का m एंड वेलोसिटी का lt minus 1। m से m कैंसिल आउट, l से l कैंसिल आउट, only one l left, t से t कैंसिल आउट। then left hand side equal to right hand side. This relation can be verified by using dimension applications of dimension formula. Okay.